Welcome to our session on installing and supporting I/O devices. We'll explore the structured approach technicians use to ensure these devices integrate seamlessly into computer systems, focusing on preparation, installation, and ongoing support. Technicians begin by verifying the compatibility of the I/O device with the system's hardware and operating system. Ensuring all necessary drivers and software are available is crucial before proceeding with the installation. The physical installation involves connecting the I/O device to the correct port or slot, such as USB or HDMI. It's important to secure the device and properly route cables to prevent damage or interference. After physical installation, the next step is to install the necessary drivers and software. This can be done using the manufacturer's CD, website, or automated system updates, ensuring the device is recognized by the system. Testing the I/O device is essential to confirm proper installation and performance. This involves using the device in its intended context, such as printing or scanning, to verify it functions as expected. If issues arise, technicians troubleshoot by checking for hardware conflicts, outdated drivers, or incorrect settings. Diagnostic tools and driver reinstallation can resolve common problems like recognition issues or malfunctions. Ongoing support and maintenance are vital for optimal device performance. Technicians provide support for driver updates and hardware malfunctions, offering maintenance advice like cleaning devices and updating firmware. In conclusion, a detailed and organized process is key to installing and supporting I/O devices. Through careful installation, testing, and maintenance, technicians ensure reliable performance and address any potential issues effectively.